8 Fascinating Facts about the Axolotl. Axolotls, pronounced ak-middle.su-middle.dls, are aquatic salamanders that are found in the wild in only one place, Lake Xochimilco in Mexico City. These critically endangered amphibians are also popular as pets and are bred in captivity for scientific research due to their unique ability to regrow body parts. Habitat destruction and the introduction of invasive fish species have led to a dramatic decline in the axolotl population. These amphibians are small in size, come in a range of colors, and maintain their larval traits throughout their entire lives. From their quirky mating dances to their amazing regenerative traits, discover the most fascinating facts about the axolotl. So while many amphibians, like the salamander, will eventually develop lungs and live on land, axolotls keep their trademark feathery external gills and remain aquatic. Xochimilco has been reduced to a series of canals, and axolotls are scarce due to the loss of its habitat as well as the introduction of predatory carp and tilapia. In captivity, they frequently eat brine shrimp, strips of beef liver, earthworms, fish pellets, and more. Fortunately, thanks to their ability to regenerate, the injured axolotl can easily grow back the severed body part. The color pigmentation and patterns of axolotls are the result of 4 different genes. The lighter-colored axolotls, including albino, leucistic, with reduced pigmentation, and pink, are more common in animals that have been bred in captivity. A number of amphibians and fish are capable of regenerating tails and limbs, but axolotls take this ability up a notch by regenerating jaws, spinal cords, skin, ovary and lung tissue, and even portions of their hearts and brains. With 32 billion DNA bases and a genome 10 times the size of a human's, sequencing the DNA of axolotls is a challenge for scientists. But it's an important one, as it will help researchers discover how the axolotl uses stem cells to regenerate tissue. Scientists have already identified 2 genes used in regeneration in axolotls. Because the regenerative abilities of axolotls are so impressive, scientists continue to expand their research to include other internal organs and retina regeneration. Females lay approximately 100 to 300 eggs and breed once per year in the wild, more frequently in captivity. Found only in one small region in Mexico, the axolotl is critically endangered in the wild. They occupy less than 4 square miles in a habitat that is in severe decline due to development, pollution, and invasive species. Their importance to scientific research and their ability to be bred in captivity should help ensure their survival, but not necessarily in the wild. In 2015 they were pronounced extinct in the wild, but then one was found a week later. The number of axolotls remaining in the wild is uncertain. Conservation efforts have centered on raising the water level of Lake Xochimilco, restoring the axolotl's environment, and reducing the population of invasive fish species like tilapia and carp, introduced by the Mexican government to improve food insecurity for low-income households, in their habitat.